Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y01. In this video I'll show you how to add different tabs or cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. Simply select your public transport. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.